Hi everyone, welcome to Intentionality. So today I'm sharing with you on the topic the spending plan. The spending plan. Why am I sharing this with you today? Is simply because there are many people who have reached out to me how that they are complaining about always claiming not to have enough. And I sat down and realized that they don't have a spending plan. And on account of not having one, they can't budget their money well, hence leading them into debt and they're not able to have enough. So journey with me even as we explore on this topic, the spending plan. But a quick disclaimer here that I'm sharing this with you from the kingdom perspective because there are many people with different paradigm philosophies, different mindsets. However, regardless of your background, this that I'm sharing with you will bless and help you in no small way. Let's get to the business of the day. Now, to be able to have a budget, you must have a spending plan. And I'm going to share 4 things with you that will help you to be able to have a good spending plan. And with that, you can draw your own budget. What are these keys? Number 1 is that you must consider God. To be able to have a proper spending plan, you must consider God. Why God? Because the Bible says in the book of Proverbs chapter 3 that we should honor the Lord with our wealth, with our money. We should honor the Lord with our wealth. When you read the book of Malachi, the Bible talks of how that we should bring our tithe. So paying of your tithe or any giving towards kingdom is a way to be able to honor God. So number 1 is that you must consider God. That is number 1, because it is God that gives us the power to be able to make wealth. It is not our own strength. The job, the business, anything that you have, it is God that gave it to you. So number 1, you must consider God. Number 2 is that you must consider your needs and then your wants. You must consider your needs and your wants. What are needs? Needs are your necessities, things you cannot do without, like food, housing, your insurance, and so on and so forth. They are things that you need in life. And then your wants. Want are things that you can do without. An example is gym membership, partying, and so on and so forth. So you must consider your needs and then your wants. Number 3 is that you must consider your tomorrow. Your tomorrow. That's investment. You must consider your tomorrow, because if you don't prepare for your tomorrow, which is your future, when you get there, you'll be stranded. There are people that I submit to you that in their lifetime, they'll be able to see money. But as we are talking, they're in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and today, respectfully speaking, they have nothing. Absolutely nothing. Some of them have to beg before they eat simply because they didn't consider their tomorrow. There are people who have this mindset that they think they will work forever until they clock 50, 60 years and then they have to retire. There are others, due to unforeseen circumstances like accident and so on and so forth, they are not able to work anymore. And if you have not prepared for your tomorrow, at that point, if you don't have anything, any kind of investment that will bring you money, you will be stranded. So number 3, you must consider your tomorrow. And the last one is that you must consider giving to others. So I will say helping others. You must also have this on your spending plan, because no matter what, you will have people reaching out to you. When you get across the street, you see people always asking for alms, and then some of your family members and loved ones, they may reach out to you to ask for help one way or the other, financially speaking. So you must also have that in mind. So helping others and other miscellaneous will come under this. Alright, so these are the 4 major things you must consider of God, because the Bible says that we should honor the Lord with our wealth. You must also consider your needs and then your wants. And then you must also consider your tomorrow, your future, by having investment. And number 4, helping others, other charitable deeds, and then miscellaneous. So these are the 4 things you must consider. Now, with this, you can be able to draw a proper budget. So let's work out some example with this spending plan. Alright, so let's consider an example. So imagine you earn $1,000 every week. Okay, imagine with me you earn $1,000 every week. So now so when it comes to God, you must consider paying your tithe, which is 10%. Alright, the Bible requires that we pay 10% of tithe plus any other kingdom activities like supporting anything at all that will advance the kingdom. Let's say you allocate additional 10%, alright, for any kingdom activities. So with God and any other kingdom activities, 20%. Now you consider your needs and then your wants, and here you can allocate 50%. So God and any other kingdom activities, 20%. Then your needs / your wants, 50%. Then you come to your tomorrow or your future, right? And you allocate 20%. That's your investment. What's an investment? Investment means acquisition of assets. So you must invest 20% into building of assets, because to be able to build lasting wealth, you must prioritize building or having assets over liabilities. Assets are systems that brings money into you. So you can allocate 20%, because when you read Genesis chapter 41, Joseph gave an advice to Pharaoh that he should invest 20% into his future because there are evil days coming. So this is biblical. Joseph gave this advice that for you to be able to prepare for a very good future, you must always invest 20%. When you read Genesis chapter 41, it is right there. And then helping others / your miscellaneous. Alright? So with this, you allocate the remaining 10%. You see, so now 20 plus 50 making 70, plus another 20 plus 10 making 100. 100%. Easy. So now let's break it down. So imagine you make $1,000 every week from your job. Remember, God is the one who gave you the job. So your tithe, which is 10%, plus any other kingdom activities, additional 10%, that is going to be $200. So you allocate $100, which is your tithe, plus any kingdom activities supporting the kingdom, anything at all that advances the kingdom, you can allocate 10% for that. And then when it comes to your needs, you allocate 50%, which is $500, right? And when it comes to your tomorrow or your future, you invest additional 20%, which is $200, right? And then with helping others or miscellaneous, that's $100. So when you add them together, you'll be able to make your $1,000. So with this, you will see that you'll be able to budget your money. And remember that this is an example. The most important things that you must consider is God, your needs and your wants, your future or your tomorrow, and then helping others and other miscellaneous. That's the idea I'm trying to sell to you. So with that, you have a spending plan. And with the spending plan, depending on how much you make, because there are people who make more than $1,000 a week, and the others too who make less than $1,000 a week. So having these factors, you'll be able to draw a proper budget depending on how much you make. So this is an example. I hope you've gotten value from this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Share with families and friends. Also do well to like, and if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. I hope this helps you. See you in my next video.